Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck, like that. Finally, get this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, click on Open. As you can see, thanks to it, you can read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!